Again, this summer, we are offering a ton of opportunities for kids to continue to get and stay engaged in learning. We are incredibly proud to be the only district in the county that offers this kind of program. Just very proud of the opportunities that we continue to provide our scholars in Topeka Public Schools.
Here at Williams this summer, we have our academic camps, so focused on math and reading. We have students from all over the district and even out of district. They are looking forward to coming each and every day. We see them, and they're just excited to jump in every day and see what's coming.
Oh, the kids have been so excited. Every day they come in, they're just big smiles and they're delighted to be here. And I also think it's wonderful for the teachers. They have enjoyed their time. This is just kind of a different level of enjoyment for them, and it's been nice to watch that as well.
Oh, they're so engaged. Every time I walk by, it's a little different than normal school. Career exploration in elementary and middle school is to help kids find something that they find, they are interested in and they think it's fun. And then as we progress them through high school, they can learn about ways that they can, find careers in that fun.
We get to treat it like summer camp. We want them to learn along the way, and we want to practice letter sounds and counting and all of those academic skills, but we also want to see the joy of enrichment opportunities. And so there's lots of laughter and lots of smiles and also lots of fun. Students are going home tired.
They have this pep in their step when they walk in the morning at every school. They keep, hugging teachers and hugging the site coordinators. I watch them in class. You hear the oohs and ahs, or you see this great focus. They just appreciate the fact that kids have these opportunities to stay engaged and continue learning.